My name is Kyle Kep, and I'm the Director of Logistics at All World Machinery. All World's a solutions provider, so if a machine's down, customer needs parts, we send them parts same day. If they need something fixed, machine's broken, components broken, we can service it. And if they need something custom manufactured, we can do that for them as well. Anything that you see in your day-to-day life, we touch that industry, and all over the globe. We're growing rapidly. We were completely maxed on space, so we had to find a solution, and I looked through all the static shelving options and none of them made sense for our business. We received 4 VLM units with 12 batch lights, nav bars on each one, and a laser pointer that points to the part that we need to pick or points to the location we need to put the parts away in, as well as the software, which has made things extremely easy. It connects directly with our ERP.
Prior to automating with Kardex, All World managed all inventory using static shelving. Now, their automated warehouse is divided into 3 order picking zones: high bay shelving, the vertical lift modules, and traditional static shelving. All World uses a highly efficient batch picking process to fill orders efficiently. Orders start in the VLM zone. Every 10 minutes, a printer near the VLM zone prints a group of pick tickets. A worker waits for a complete batch of 12 tickets to be printed before starting the picking process. Each ticket represents one order and is assigned to a single order tote. First, the worker scans each pick ticket and places it in an order tote. Once the entire batch has been scanned, the Kardex PowerPick software prompts all VLMs to work simultaneously and begin delivering parts to the access windows. The worker follows pick-to-light displays on the VLM to accurately pick the correct part in the correct quantity. The worker then turns back to the batching station and follows put-to-light displays to place the correct quantity of each part in the corresponding totes at the batching station. After all parts are picked from the VLM zone, if the order is complete, the totes travel via conveyor to the shipping area for packaging and distribution. If additional parts are needed from other zones, the tote is rerouted to the shelving and high bay zones, where workers manually push carts to pick the remaining parts for the order. Once all parts have been picked, the tote is delivered to the shipping area for final packaging and distribution.
We were able to eliminate 75% of that static shelving. All those parts are in the VLMs, and we're able to add a conveyor system and have extra space on top of that. 80% of our parts are in the VLM, so everything has to go in and out of the VLM. And the perfect thing about Kardex is you can change the size of the bin. What could fit 72 parts, we can now fit 432 in the same space just because of the custom bin size. Not to mention there's a height sensor on the VLMs, so it'll put it away at just the right height so you don't have any extra space. We've been able to add about 2,000 extra SKUs since we've added the VLMs, so it's huge. We've built a conveyor system around the VLM because so much of our business revolves around the VLM now, and everybody is on board with it. They can pick about 3 times as fast as someone before the VLMs came. Our order picking has improved tremendously. We're at 99.8% right now, going up. It's worked better than I could have imagined, and now with the new conveyor system, it's flawless. Every time we have customers, vendors come in, people are wowed by it. Most people haven't seen a VLM in action, so it's one of the favorite things for us to show, and we're proud of it. Kardex has been a great partner. They've been with us every step of the way. It wasn't a, hey, let's get the sale and we're out of here. You know, they've still been with us, check in with us, come meet with us. Really good relationship with them.